Eugene Wamalwa, and after his condolences, to kindly go ahead and invite my esteemed leader. Oh yes, sorry. Eugene, you will invite my twin brother, Kalonzo Musyoka, who will then invite my leader. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Martha. Our brother, Amos Kimunya, with your family, fellow mourners, God is good.
All the time.
Allow me to bring my condolences and those of my family to Kimunya and his family, and to also bring the condolences of His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta, the fourth President of the Republic of Kenya. He had, as of yesterday, planned to join us here, and in fact, he had spoken to Kimunya, but due to unavoidable circumstances, he was not able to join us this morning. But as you all know, Kimunya worked very, very closely with our fourth president. He also worked very, very closely with our third president, Mwai Kibaki. And amongst us also, we have colleagues who served with Kimunya and our third president and our fourth president. The Honorable Tuju is here. I've seen the Honorable Masharia. We have the Honorable Waziri wa Corona, ako wapi? Mutahi Kagwe, who used to say, you can get it, I can get it, anybody can get it. We are here to stand in solidarity with our brother Kimunya, with whom we traveled the journey of transformation over a great nation under both our third president, Mwai Kibaki, and under our fourth president. We were partners in that journey. But there were days, there were weeks, there were months, there were years, we were not with him. His true partner was Lucy, who traveled with him, he has said, over 40 years. And indeed, it is a big blow for you to lose such a partner. And we are here to say pole and to pray that the good Lord gives you the strength to bear your loss and your pain. Otherwise, we are all very, very grateful that we could be here to stand with the family. And I want to give the opportunity to His Excellency Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka to bring our principal. But just to say, as he comes, Lucy has brought us together. In this church, we have people from across the political divide. It reminds me of a time when we came before this same shrine to mourn my sister-in-law, Yvonne. And that time, we had just formed government, and our president had been sworn in at Kasarani. But a few days before we came here, the people's president had been sworn in at Uhuru Park. So as we sat here, I was addressing and inviting the family to speak. I was told the leader of the opposition, the people's president, has just walked into church. I panicked. I was Uhuru's minister. I didn't know how I was going to address him. But years later, we came together on the same side. It tells you, just as Lucy has brought us together, just as Yvonne brought us together, that we are all children of the same God, and we're also children of the same motherland called Kenya. So let us work together, let us walk together, and Stephen, please come and pay your condolences. Thank you.